Brainiacs, welcome back to Brain and Bank. If you're new here, I'm Joe, and I'm thrilled to have you join us. To all our returning subscribers, thank you for your continued support. You're the reason we keep going. For those of you who are new, make sure to hit the subscribe button and join our community of online earners and YouTube enthusiasts. Let's dive into today's topic and start building your financial future together. Today, we're going to talk about something really important: budgeting tips for low income. This is going to be super simple and easy to understand. We will use a lot of examples to make it easy for you to start budgeting as soon as you finish watching this video. I'll be asking a lot of questions in the video. Make sure to answer them in the comments. Let's see how your answers help others. Imagine I'm right here with you, having a friendly chat. Budgeting helps you manage your money better, and today I'll show you how. Let's get started. Our first step is to understand what a budget is. First, let's talk about what a budget is. A budget is like a plan for your money. Imagine you have a jar of candies and you want to make sure you have enough candies for the whole week. You count your candies and decide how many you can eat each day. That's a budget, and that's what a budget does for your money. It helps you to decide how much to spend and how much to save. Let's look at the first example. Think about how you get pocket money from your parents. If you get $10 a week, you can plan to spend $2 each day so that your money lasts all week. That's your budget. A budget is important because it helps you avoid running out of money before your next allowance or payday. It also helps you to save for things you really want, like a new toy or a special treat. Do you understand what a budget is? How would you explain it to a friend? Write your explanation in the comments. Our second step is to know how much money you get and spend. The first step in making a budget is to know how much money you get and how much you spend. This is like counting your candies before deciding how many you can eat each day. Write down all the money you get and all the things you spend money on. And I mean all. Nothing should be left out. Our second example is, let's say you get $100 each month. You spend $20 on school supplies, $30 on snacks, and $10 on toys. That means you have $40 left for other things. You can use a notebook, a spreadsheet, or an app to keep track of your money. This way, you can see exactly where your money goes and find areas where to save. How do you keep track of your money? Do you write it down, use an app, or something else? Let me know in the comments. The third on our list is list your needs and wants. Next, you need to know the difference between needs and wants. Needs are things you must have, like food, clothes, and a place to live. Wants are things that you would like to have, but you can also live without, like toys, games, and candies. Our example here is, imagine you need new shoes for school. That's a need. but you also want a new video game. That's a want. It's important to take care of your needs first. Another example, this is a real life one. In the book Your Money or Your Life by Vicky Robin and Joe Dominguez, they explain how understanding the difference between needs and wants is crucial for managing money wisely. Many people have improved their finance by focusing on their needs first and being mindful of their wants. Can you think of something you need and something you want? Write them down and share them in the comments. The fourth step is to create your budget. Now let's create your budget. This means deciding how much money you will spend on your needs and wants each month. How to create your budget? First, write down how much money you get each month. Second, list all your needs and how much they cost. Third, list all your wants and how much they cost. Making sure you have enough money for your needs first. Then see how much is left for your wants. Another example that I have is if you get $100 a month and your needs cost $70, you have $30 left for your wants. You can spend that $30 on things you like, but only after your needs are covered. Creating a budget helps you make sure you don't spend more money than you have. It helps you save for future goals, like a special trip or a new gadget. Have you ever made a budget before? How did it go? Share your experience in the comments below. Our fifth step is use a budgeting tool or app. There are many tools and apps that can help you with budgeting. These tools can make it easy to track your money and stay on budget. Apps like Mint, YNAB can help you keep track of your spending and savings. You can use these apps to see where your money goes and find ways to save. Let me give you a real life example. On the website Ned Wallet, they review and recommend various budgeting apps that can help you manage your money. Many people have found success using these tools to stay on track with their budgets. What budgeting tools or apps are you using right now? If you're not using any, which one do you think you would like to try? Let me know in the comments. Our sixth step is to save money where you can. Saving money is important, especially when you have a low income. Look for ways to save on your needs and wants. Instead of buying snacks every day, you can buy a big pack of snacks and bring one with you each day. This can save you money over time. Also, look for sales and discounts when shopping for clothes and other items. A real life example in the book The Total Money Makeover by Dave Ramsey, he talks about the importance of saving money and finding ways to cut costs. Many people have used his advice to save money and improve their finance. Can you think of any ways to save money on the things you buy? Share your ideas in the comments below. Our seventh step is to set a savings goal. Having a savings goal can help you stay motivated to stick to your budget. This means deciding what you want to save for and how much money you need. If you want to buy a new bike that costs $100, you can save $10 each month. In 10 months, you will have enough money to buy the bike. Setting a goal gives you something to look forward to and helps you stay focused on savings. What is something you want to save for? How much money do you need? And how long will it take you to save it? Share your goals in the comments. Step 8. Track your spending. It's important to keep track of your spending to make sure you're staying on budget. This means writing down everything you spend money on. You can use a notebook or an app to write down all your expenses. At the end of the month, check to see if you stayed on budget. If you spent more than planned, think about ways to cut back next month. Another real life example. In the article, How to Track Your Spending in Less Than 10 Minutes a Day, on the website The Balance, they suggest simple ways to keep track of your spending. Many people have found that tracking their spending helps them stay on budget and save money. How do you keep track of your spending? Do you write it down, use an app, or something else? Share your methods in the comments. Step 9. Adjust your budget when needed. Sometimes things change and you need to adjust your budget. Maybe you get more or less money, or your expenses go up or down. If you start getting $120 a month instead of $100, you can decide how to use the extra $20. Maybe you save more or spend a little more on your wants. Just make sure your needs are covered first. Another real life example in the book Rich Dad Poor Dad by Robert Kiyosaki. He talks about how adjusting your budget and financial plans is important as your income and expenses change. This helps you stay in control of your finance. Have you ever had to change your budget? What did you do to make it work? Share your experience in the comments. Our 10th step is stay positive and keep going. Budgeting can be challenging, but it's important to stay positive and keep going. Remember, every small step you take helps you manage your money better. You are doing a great job by making a budget and sticking to it. It takes practice, but you will get better at it over time. Keep going, and you will see how much better you feel about your money. Many successful people, like those featured in the book The Millionaire Next Door by Thomas J. Stanley and William D. Bianco, started with simple budgeting and savings habits. They stayed positive and kept going and eventually built significant wealth. What keeps you motivated to stick to your budget? Share your tips in the comments below. I want you to try making a budget this month. Write down all the money you get and spend and see if you can find ways to save. Share your progress in the comments below. I would love to hear how you're doing. So, there you have it. Budgeting on a low income is possible if you understand your money, create a budget, save where you can, and stay positive. Remember, it's like a game and you're getting better at it every day. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more tips on managing your money. And don't forget to leave a comment below with your thoughts and any questions you have. Let's help each other succeed. Thanks for watching, and I will see you next time.